Hello and welcome.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel.
I'm David.
And I'm Alice. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Are you ready to learn English with us?
We will learn together. It will be fun and easy.
Yes, and today's topic is very useful for daily life.
Oh, I love useful topics. What is it today, David?
Today, we will learn common phrases for daily life.
Ah, yes. The small things we say every day. When we wake up, when we eat, when we go out, when we talk to friends.
Exactly. These are small phrases, but they are very important.
They help you sound natural, like a real English speaker, not like a textbook.
So, please listen, repeat after us, and practice with us.
And if this video helps you, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us make more videos for you.
Yes, it helps us grow. Okay, let's begin. Okay, Alice, let's start in the morning, the very beginning of the day.
The morning, the sun is up, but maybe I am not up yet.
I understand completely. What is the first thing you say in the morning?
The first thing? Sometimes I say good morning to my family or my friends.
Yes, good morning. That is a nice, polite, and friendly phrase.
But sometimes I say I need coffee.
That is also a very common phrase. Many people say that. Let's practice some morning phrases. Repeat after me, everyone.
We will say them slowly. Ready? Let's go.
Number 1, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. A simple and friendly way to start the day. You can say this to your family, your friends, or your coworkers. Number 2, I need coffee.
I need coffee. I need coffee.
You can change this. I need tea, or I need water.
Yes, I need a shower. Or I need 5 more minutes.
Ah, 5 more minutes. That is a very important phrase in the morning.
It is my favorite phrase in the morning. When the alarm goes off, I say 5 more minutes.
Let's practice that one slowly. Repeat, 5 more minutes.
5 more minutes. 5 more minutes.
Say it slowly. 5 more minutes. Good. Okay, next phrase. What time is it?
Oh, yes. What time is it? We ask this all the time, every day.
If I am late, I say, oh no, what time is it?
And if I'm late, I say, oh no, I'm late.
Let's practice that one too. I am late.
I am late. I'm late.
Or I am early.
I am early. That is a very good feeling. I feel happy when I'm early.
Yes, it's a good feeling. Let's say them together. I am late. I am early.
Another morning phrase. Did you sleep well?
Oh, that's a nice question. Did you sleep well? You ask this to someone in the morning.
Yes, and you can answer, yes, I slept very well, or no, I didn't sleep well.
Repeat after me. Did you sleep well?
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well.
Yes, I slept very well. Okay, David, we have coffee, we know the time. Now what about food?
Food is very important for daily life. We eat 3 times a day, sometimes more.
Very important. What are some common phrases for eating?
A very common phrase is, I am hungry.
I am hungry. We say this when our stomach is empty. We want food.
Repeat after me. I am hungry.
I am hungry.
The opposite is, I am full.
I am full. That means my stomach is happy. No more food. I cannot eat more.
Sometimes we ask someone, are you hungry?
Are you hungry? That is a nice question. It shows you care about the other person.
Yes, and you can answer in different ways. Yes, I'm a little hungry. Or, no, I'm not hungry yet.
Yet is a good word. Not hungry yet means maybe later, but not now.
Another common phrase, before we eat, sometimes we say, enjoy your meal.
Oh yes, enjoy your meal. This is a polite thing to say before someone starts eating.
You can also say just enjoy.
Enjoy. It's short, friendly, and easy.
Let's also talk about drinks. Sometimes we say, I am thirsty.
Ah, yes. I am thirsty. That means you want something to drink.
Repeat, I am thirsty.
I am thirsty.
And you can ask, are you thirsty?
Are you thirsty? Can I get you some water?
Okay, let's practice all these together.
Okay, good idea. Listen and repeat after us.
I am hungry.
I am hungry.
Are you hungry?
Are you hungry?
Enjoy your meal.
Enjoy your meal.
I am full.
I am full.
I am thirsty.
I am thirsty.
Are you thirsty?
Are you thirsty?
Great job. You are doing wonderfully. Okay, now we are not at home. We are outside. We are going out.
Going out. To work, to the store, to a friend's house, to the park.
So, we need phrases for moving around.
The first phrase is, I'm going to work.
I am going to work. Repeat, I am going to work.
I am going to work.
Or, I am going to the store.
I am going to the store. I need milk and bread.
Always milk and bread. Or, I am going home.
Ah, important. I'm going home. Not to home, just home.
Yes, I am going home. That is correct. Repeat, I am going home.
I am going home.
Sometimes we need to ask for help. For example, we are lost.
Oh no, lost is not fun, but it happens to everyone.
But it happens. So we ask, excuse me.
Excuse me is a very polite phrase. It means, sorry, I need your attention for a moment.
Yes, use it before you ask a question to a stranger.
So you say, excuse me, and then?
Then you ask your question. For example, where is the bank?
Or, where is the bus stop?
Or, where is the restroom?
Restroom is a polite word for toilet or bathroom. Very useful.
Let's practice this conversation more.
Okay, let's do it. Imagine we are friends. Okay. Hey, David, what are you doing later today?
Nothing much. I'm free after 3 o'clock. Why?
Oh, great. Do you want to get coffee? There is a new coffee shop near the park.
Sure, I'd love to. I love trying new coffee shops. What time?
How about 3:30?
Perfect. See you then at the coffee shop.
Perfect. See you later.
That sounds like a nice afternoon.
Yes, simple and friendly.
You know, in daily life, we have many small questions. They help us connect with people.
Yes, they are small, but they help us make friends and be polite.
Let's practice some more of these common questions and answers.
Listen and repeat. This will help you feel more natural when you speak.
Question: how are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
Good. This is very common. Repeat after me.
How are you?
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
This is a classic. Very polite. You can also say, I'm good, thanks.
Question: what do you do?
This means, what is your job? What is your work?
Yes. Answer: I am a teacher. Or, I am a student. Or, I am a doctor.
I am a teacher. I am a student. I am a nurse. Very simple.
Question: where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Or, I am from Brazil. Or, I am from Egypt. Or, I am from Japan.
Everyone can say this. I am from, and your country. It's a great way to start a conversation.
Question: how much is this?
Ah, shopping. How much is this? Very important when you buy something.
Answer: it is $10.
Or, it is 20 euros. Or, it is 100 yen.
Or, it is free. Free is my favorite price. Question: can you help me?
Yes, of course.
Or, sure, no problem.
No problem is a very common phrase. It means, it's easy for me to help. Don't worry.
Question: what time does the store open?
Or close. It opens at 9 a.m.
Very useful for daily life. Okay, the day is almost over. The sun is going down. It is evening.
Time to relax, eat dinner, and rest.
We have some common phrases for the evening, too.
First, we can say, good evening.
Good evening. This is a formal greeting for the evening. You can say it to your boss or a new person.
It's not the same as good night. This is important.
Ah, good point. Good night is for when you go to sleep. It is a goodbye for the night.
Yes, you say good night when you are going to bed or leaving at night.
A common question in the evening: how was your day?
I love this question. It shows you care about the other person.
Answer: it was good. How about you?
Or, it was okay.
Or, it was a long day.
It was a long day. I say that a lot when I am tired.
Another phrase for the end of the day: I am tired.
I am tired. Time to sleep.
Repeat: I am tired.
I am tired.
Or, I am exhausted.
Exhausted is stronger. It means very, very tired. No energy left.
Yes, a good word to know.
And finally, before we sleep, we say, good night.
Good night.
Sleep well.
Sleep well is a nice way to say, have a good sleep. I hope you rest.
Or, sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams. That is very kind and gentle. You can say this to your family or your partner. Okay, we have learned many, many phrases today.
Yes, from morning to night, from waking up to sleeping.
Let's review some of the most important key phrases. We will say them slowly and clearly one more time.
Please listen, repeat, and try to remember them. Practice makes progress.
Number 1, good morning.
Good morning.
Number 2, what time is it?
What time is it?
Number 3, I am hungry.
I am hungry.
Number 4, enjoy your meal.
Enjoy your meal.
Number 5, excuse me.
Excuse me.
Number 6, where is the restroom?
Where is the restroom?
Number 7, what are you doing today?
What are you doing today?
Number 8, do you want to get coffee?
Do you want to get coffee?
Number 9, sure, I'd love to.
Sure, I'd love to.
Number 10, how are you?
How are you?
Number 11, can you help me?
Can you help me?
Number 12, how was your day?
How was your day?
Number 13, I am tired.
I am tired.
And number 14, good night. Sleep well.
Good night. Sleep well.
Now, let's use these phrases in a short story, a whole day from morning to night.
Yes, imagine a full day. I will be Alice, you will be David. Let's talk.
Good morning, Alice. Did you sleep well?
Good morning, David. Yes, I slept very well. What time is it?
It is 7:30. Time to wake up.
Oh, 5 more minutes.
No, come on. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am a little hungry. Let's have breakfast.
Great. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. This looks delicious.
Okay, later. I'm going to work now.
Me too. I'm going to the office. What are you doing after work?
Nothing much. I'm free after 5 o'clock.
Great. Do you want to get coffee? There's a nice cafe near the park.
Sure, I'd love to. What time?
How about 5:30?
Perfect. See you later. Hey, Alice, how was your day?
It was a long day. I am a little tired.
Me too. But the coffee is good. I'm happy we met.
Yes, thank you for the coffee. It was nice to relax.
Okay, it is getting late. Good night, Alice.
Good night, David. Sleep well.
Sweet dreams.
That was a fun day. Now it's your turn.
Yes, we want you to practice speaking. Do not be shy.
Imagine you are talking to a friend. Try to answer these questions out loud.
Question 1. What time is it? Short pause for the listener to answer.
Good. You can say, it is 3 o'clock, or I don't know.
Question 2. Are you hungry? Short pause.
Maybe you say, yes, I am hungry, or no, I'm not hungry yet.
Question 3. What are you doing today? Short pause.
Maybe you say, I am working, or nothing much, I'm free.
Question 4. Do you want to get coffee? Short pause.
You can say, sure, or sorry, I can't. Maybe next time.
Question 5. How was your day? Short pause.
You can say, it was good, or it was a long day.
Great job. You are speaking English. Be proud of yourself.
Yes, every time you practice, you get better.
Learning English is fun, but sometimes we make mistakes.
Oh, yes, I make mistakes all the time. David makes mistakes too.
Yes, I do, and that is okay.
Mistakes help us learn. They are part of the journey.
Let's look at a common mistake.
Many learners say, I am very good, when they mean I am very well. But in daily life, it's not a big problem.
People will understand you. That is the most important thing. Another common mistake. I go to home.
Oh, yes. We say, I go home. No to. I go home, I am going home.
It's a small thing, but now you know. And sometimes we forget the word the.
We say, I go to store, but we need the store. I go to the store.
But again, it's okay. People understand.
The most important thing is to try. Do not be afraid of mistakes.
Yes, speak, make mistakes, laugh about them, and learn. We want to say something important before we go.
Yes, learning a new language is a journey. It takes time.
You are doing a great job. Every day you are getting better.
Every day you learn new words, you learn new phrases, you understand more.
And every day you get closer to your goal.
So be proud of yourself. Be kind to yourself.
Yes, be proud. You are learning English. That is amazing.
And we are here to help you on this journey.
We have a question for you. We want to know about your daily life.
Tell us in the comments below the video, what is your favorite meal of the day?
Is it breakfast, lunch, or dinner?
And what do you eat? What is your favorite food?
For example, David loves breakfast. He eats eggs and toast.
And Alice loves dinner. She eats pasta. Pasta is her favorite.
So please tell us. We want to read your answers and learn about you. Okay, that is all for today.
We hope you learned many new phrases and feel more confident.
Remember to practice these phrases every day. Say them in the morning, say them in the evening.
Talk to yourself in English. Talk to your friends in English. Use them in your daily life.
The more you practice, the more natural it becomes.
If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps us.
And subscribe to our channel for more English lessons. We have new videos every week.
Click the bell icon so you don't miss any videos.
Thank you for learning with us today. You are amazing.
Yes, you are. Keep going. You can do this.
Take care of yourself. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time. Happy learning.